We're on our way to Mobile. Me and the little homie. Y'all want to see the little homie? It's Broku. Broku, go to Mobile with me. He got the popcorn. He ready. He got the popcorn. He got snacks, popcorn ready. He got his little jacket to get gold. We ready. We ready for this Broku. Y'all gotta stay with us so you can see what happens this weekend, you know? Let's get it. Ooh. You're living the life. Look at that. Ain't a beach view, but it's a beautiful view. Well, guys, this one has been in waiting. I gotta do an unboxing. This is my first unboxing for you guys, and this one is for my great friend in Canada, Dre Powell. Look at that. Look at that boy, got his own signature box. And this on the side got his own signature. Tell you, I gotta be like that one day. Now, if you don't know who Dre Powell is, he is a TikToker that gives us updates and reviews on foods from America and Canada. Now, he also has a Discord channel where he gives out snack giveaways. I was fortunate to win one of those giveaways. So if you want a snack box from Dre Powell, you gotta do is follow the Discord. Here's his Discord, and then here's his TikTok. Now, I want y'all to open this with me, guys. I feel like it's gonna be good. Good look at that. You know, you gotta open it with the trusty box cutter, but you gotta open it with precision. Gotta open it with precision. Alright, guys, we got it open. We got a nice note from Mr. Powell himself. And you know I gotta keep that. I got some little Dublin golden chocolate coins. Ooh. And they got Canada on it. Y'all see it? Got Canada on it. Got a couple of those. With a bunch of like little head. We'll get to it. Right? Let's grab the first snack. We got some Crispers. I guess it's potato chips. It looks like kind of like tease it a little bit. Can't wait to dig in that one. The next snack. Oh. I love some Boston cream, but this is like little Boston cream Tim Hortons. Ooh, you know we ain't got no Tim Hortons in America, but can't wait to get into that one. There's a couple of them. Got another one. Ooh, that's one of my favorites. Oh, I think my friends gonna like this one. Cadbury Mini Egg Chips Ahoy. Bruh. I don't know about this one, but you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. It might not be bad. It might not be bad. Ooh. We got the ketchup ruffles. The ketchup ruffles. Got some more. We got a Choco Crispy. Oh, this is the one I'm gonna scream daddy over. Look at this. Lemonade Hershey. Oh. And then we got something new I have never heard. Either Carol Milk. Ooh. We have Cotton Candy Flavor Boost Craft Dinner. I don't know if this is like Kool-Aid or gelatin, but You know what? We're gonna figure it all together. It's cotton candy flavored. But let me see. Oh, we got some more candy. We got a curly whirly. A curly whirly. We got a Mr. Big. A Mr. Big. Ooh-wee. Let me see if any more candy in here. But there's one thing I wanted to try that I knew we weren't gonna get. And he kind of probably read my mind. Bam! Tim Hortons cereal. Cafe mocha. Now it probably gonna taste like the Dunkin' cereal that we have in America, but hey, this is the one. I gotta try this. Oh, that's the box. Like I said, if you watch my reviews, I try things one at a time because I'm not a fat ass. But I need y'all to take a look at the collection he didn't gave me. He didn't gave. Look at it. It's a whole ass natural. Again, if you want to try to get any of these snacks or win any snacks, you gotta follow Dre Prayo. Ooh. Y'all, I can't wait till I dig into them. Especially that one, the ketchup ruffles. This one right here. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't. Dre Prayo. I'm a little late opening this box, but thank you again for the snacks. For the snacks, though. Ooh. I'm going to tell you right now, Dre. I'm going to call you personally to send me some more of these. Right here, baby. Alright, guys. I'm going to try this place out. You know, it's dinner time. Got a little hungry. It's barbecuing wings and chicken. Something that don't seem sketchy with the fish on the side. So let's go in here and just... Now look. Does this picture look like she's twerking on him? Or is it just me? Like, seriously, look how she's bent over. You know what? Anyway, just back to the review. This black people, you know it's gonna be good. Goddamn. Alright, guys, we back. I didn't want to eat the food in the parking lot because it was kind of sketchy, and it's getting dark, and the seagulls were buzzing me. So, the place was called Barbecuing with My Honey. It's kind of classy. It's a black-owned establishment, you know. I had to get the banana pudding. That's a lot of banana pudding that I'm enjoying. You know, I might eat that for breakfast, you know. And then I got the pulled pork plate with macaroni and cheese. It smells good. Let's see. Let's open up this bad boy. Always leaking on the... You know it's good when it's leaking on the side. And on the table. Ooh. Look at that. It would have been good if they gave me some bread, but... I'm not a big fan of honey barbecue, but this one is particularly good. I'll give it a taste. Gonna eat it with a spoon. Unless I get a close up on it. Let me get a close. Look at that. Look at that. And some extra sauce. I told you if they gave me some bread. Okay, alright. Today was just a light day, but tomorrow is where the fun's coming in.
Well, we can't find it right now. There's nothing to panic though. I'm sure it's there. It'll probably make an appearance when the swelling goes down.
Man, you did your damn lies still, man. You don't pass me, man.
Make another bite. It's actually good. I ain't even gonna tell y'all in the second bite. It's actually good. This barbecue is slamming. Should've got the ribs though. I might eat this place back before I leave. Or try it. We don't know. We'll see. What? It's good.
I'm sorry about what happened. But when you
And it's still hot. That's surprising.
If I remember correctly,
With the mac and cheese.
my belt hasn't affected my memory. I was teaching you how to fight above the belt.
Mac and cheese could use a little bit more salt, which they didn't give me, but
Fellas, dirty pool, mister. Dirty pool.
it's not bad. But
Now,
they gave me some sauce. I'm gonna add some sauce to it. Just
or what? You told me to go to the wild.
I'm gonna add some more in here. I'm just gonna add it all in there.
no television, no video games, and no ice cream until further notice.
That's not fair. You can't do that.
I'll tell you what I can't do.
Oh,
Sleep on my stomach. But I can sure as heck punish you.
this is the sauce on it.
Bill, toss me a
Amazing.
beer. I have to take
Amazing.
my anticoagulant.
I live in Joseph finally can take down
I also got lemonade by and where they have mostly Pepsi products and like Pepsi and Zero. So I just got lemonade, you know. Well, lemonade at barbecue places ain't too bad. Too bad.
Be careful what you wish for.
Yeah, well, I promise you, Bobby.
This tastes like Minute Maid. It's not bad, but it tastes like Minute Maid. I thought it was gonna be like high diabetic sugar. Like hopefully this banana pudding to be. Look how ooey and gooey it
Where
looks.
have you been? Word in the halls is you got suspended for kicking Principal Moss in the crotch. What? No, that's crazy.
Just look at
I
it.
kicked my dad in the crotch. You kicked his father? We
Oh.
all have those feelings, Bobby, but
Oh,
you
my.
never act on them.
I'm in love with this banana pudding.
I heard what you did to Jane or son of Saul. Unforgivable.
Ooh.
Then I heard what you did to your
This 1,000. This tops it. The barbecue good. The mac and cheese is good. This banana pudding though.
You have a million chores to do.
What?
Mm.
Punishing you? You don't have to
Divine.
him.
Divine.
You can get up from that chair.
Kind of looks like it's divine. Ooh.
That better not be what I think it is. And I think it's a Game Boy. Is it a Game Boy?
Just get your little cookie.
That's a video game. I told you. No video games. Give it to me.
Oh,
Hold on.
before I leave y'all,
Now.
In a minute.
Grogu chilling in the back.
Get to me right now.
He wanted to be posted up there. We chilling. We chilling.
Get back here.
We in for the night. I'm in love with this banana pudding. I don't know who needs to hear it, but these motherfucking seagulls over here sound like cats and dogs. They need to stop. When I got here, I thought, oh, I hear a cat or something, but fucking seagulls. That shit is annoying as shit. Mobile, what y'all got going on with these seagulls?